The last of the body and styling upgrades on the Team Lethal Mustang Giveaway car. We've got that Lethal Performance GT500 style carbon fiber spoiler, as well as our taillight bezels. It'll be a fairly simple install with just a few nuts and bolts. So let's go ahead and start the install. What's up, Team Lethal fans? Mustang King in the house, and I'm with the Team Lethal Mustang Giveaway car. We've got less than 30 days still to give this car away, and we're still modding it. Today, we're gonna be installing the Lethal Performance carbon fiber GT500 style spoiler, as well as carbon fiber taillight bezels. Let's do it! This should be a fairly simple install with just a few nuts and bolts, as well as using the adhesive that we include with each product. So let's go ahead and start the install. All right, first part of the install, we're gonna pop the trunk, see what we got here.
Whoa, you got a dead hooker in the trunk.
Oh, no dead hookers, but carbon fiber. On the underside of the trunk, there are two rubber grommets. We're gonna pull them off to be able to access the bolts that hold the spoiler to the trunk. Rah! Using a 10mm socket, we're gonna remove that nut from the stud right there, making sure not to drop the nut in there. We don't wanna lose it. Let me give it a try. It's gotta be there, it's gotta be there. Let's do this. Pull it down like this. Try not drop it. Oh, look at that. There we go. Great success. I like. I got it. Great success. And last but not least, we'll be removing the two nuts underneath this trunk liner here. So we're gonna remove it real quickly and get that nut unbolted. Pop. Pop. Joe. Joe. Ah! Professional install by the Mustang King himself. There we go. And this should gain us access to that last nut right there. We're gonna get the nut off, guys. Let's do it. All right, let's close the trunk up right now. There is adhesive that holds this spoiler onto the trunk, so we're gonna start pulling gently on one side, making our way down along the rest of the spoiler. Let's see if I got this. Come on now. There you go. Here we go. There we go. Out with the old. Now it's time for in with the new. So we're gonna use this nifty little tool right here, which is gonna remove the factory adhesive from the trunk here without damaging anything. Make it nice and clean for you guys and a simple install of the new spoiler. I'm exhausted after that, but now it's time for some Goo Gone. And here it is, the Lethal Performance GT500 carbon fiber spoiler, ready to go on the car. The first thing we're gonna do is turn this around here. You're gonna see the double-sided adhesive is already installed. We wanna peel the backing off it, and then I'm gonna have someone help me line everything up on the trunk to make sure that the holes line up where the bolts go through. And voila, a real carbon fiber spoiler installed on the Team Lethal Giveaway car. Let's go ahead, pop that trunk again. We're gonna put the trunk liner back in place and wrap things up. All right. This can't be too hard, right, Joe? There you go, in the hole. Look at this. Done. Now it's time to install those carbon fiber taillight trim bezels. What we're gonna do first is using the supplied alcohol swabs, we're gonna clean the factory tail lamps off. Look at this, Joe. Cleaning her up, cleaning her up. Alcohol swabbies, right there. That's where the adhesive is gonna stick to on the outside ring of the tail lamp, as well as on these sections right here. So I'll make sure they're nice and cleaned up. Just give it a nice little clean right there. We're going to clean the back of the carbon fiber piece to get any residue off to make sure that adhesive sticks to it. All right. Clean that up nice and good. Here we go. Now, using the supplied 3M double-sided adhesive, we're going to cut them in strips and fit them around these areas of this carbon fiber tail bezel so it sticks to the tail light. Now, before peeling the back side of that adhesive off, we're gonna make sure that this is really pressed down and secure all the way around, because we spent the time to put it on there nice. I wanna make sure it stays on when we peel that red backing off. And if you guys out there are interested, these are available for not only the 18 to 23 Mustang, we also offer them for the 15 to 17 Mustang, all available on our website, lethalperformance.com. That feels so good. That's such a good feeling right there. Look at that. Wow. So soothing. Now this is the driver's side. Let's pop this trunk. We're gonna set this in here as gently as possible, making sure that it fits really good before we press it on and fully adhere it to the actual tail lamp. Right? Yep. All right. See, it goes up in there. I'm feeling pretty good about this, Joe. Another perfect install by the Mustang King himself. That's on there nice and secure now. Carbon fiber isn't going anywhere. And it pops with those Ford Performance Euros. Let's get on with the passenger side now. Oh, that feels so satisfying. That was great. And make sure we slide it up in this side as far as possible. There we go. That's about as good as it's going there, Joe. Yeah, looking good. Press it around, make sure it's in place. All right. Oh yeah. Look at that, man. Looking good, right? And there it is, guys, the last of the body and styling upgrades on the Team Lethal Mustang Giveaway car. We've got that Lethal Performance GT500 style carbon fiber spoiler, as well as our taillight bezels already installed, and it looks great. Definitely complements those Ford Performance Euro taillights. Really nice. Guys, someone is going to be super lucky to win this car May 31st. Remember, head on over to lethalperformance.com. We've got less than 30 days left. All you have to do is spend your money with us on your aftermarket performance parts, accessories, or swag. Every dollar gains you an entry. Please drop a comment below. Let us know what you think about our Team Lethal Mustang Giveaway build, and if you have any suggestions on our next build. Thanks for watching, guys. I'm the Mustang King, and I'm out of here! Oh, Chad! No! Damn, Chad. Out of all people, I thought you were ASE certified, dude. I don't know what you were looking for. You didn't find it, though. You didn't find a hole. Chad, you got a hard time finding a hole.